Meaning of HD.
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 HD. The acronym HD stands for High Definition. It refers to a display resolution that is significantly higher than standard definition formats. HD resolution typically has at least 720 vertical lines of pixels, although the most common standard today is Full HD, which offers 1080 vertical lines. This results in a clearer and more detailed image compared to standard definition content. High definition is commonly used in televisions, computer monitors, and other digital displays. The increased resolution allows for greater visual clarity and detail, making it more enjoyable to watch movies and videos and play video games.